30 minutes drive from Senai to this beautiful surrounding greenery nature that is located beside of Gunung Pulai, recreational forest with a fresh, cool air. Within the compound lies a hidden cafe, which is built up as treehouse where we can lounge either on the floor or along tables at the side. The cafe serves mains like pasta, sandwiches, soups, as well as dessert like cakes and pastries. Unfortunately, we have no luck to try it out, their mains due to visit on wrong timing. We just get to order a cup of cappuccino, latte, and a piece of brownies. Need to call and reserve for table then. Only can order their mains. Adui. Here also have accommodation. On the left is the Gunung Pulai Waterfall River. Straight in front is the entrance of Gunung Pulai Hiking Trail. Bye-bye.